Okay, so what is the main function of soluble fiber? So we know soluble fiber does dissolve in water, right? And it's kind of described as that like sticky fiber. So when we're looking at the three main functions, or how it helps us and why it's important to us, it number one helps lower your blood cholesterol. So we know LDL, HDL. We discussed that in previous modules, right? The sticky fiber binds to cholesterol and helps eliminate it, right? So it puts it into your waste and helps remove it from the body, right? First and foremost, let's get it out of the blood, let's get it out of the body, right? So it helps lower that blood cholesterol level. The second thing it does is helps you with your weight control, right? So how does that work? Well, it slows down the digestion process. So if I have soluble fiber, slows down how quickly food breaks down in my stomach, right? And it helps me feel fuller longer and eat less food, right? So it just helps you like stay satiated, if you will. And the last thing that it does, and probably the most important, blood cholesterol is pretty important, but it controls your blood sugar, right? So what we do know is that when we take in glucose, it breaks down, goes into the bloodstream, an insulin response occurs within the body, right, which helps absorb sugar or glucose into the cells, right? But when you take in soluble fiber, it slows that down, right? We already talked about it, like it just helps slow down the digestion process in general, right? So it slows down the rate at which that sugar's entering the bloodstream, which means the insulin response is not as sharp, right? Or doesn't peak as much, and you're able to slow it down going in. And that obviously helps reduce the risk, or that's like when we start talking about like type 2 diabetes, right? So lowers blood cholesterol, helps control weight, and controls your blood sugar levels.